Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for December 17th, 2013. It's currently 9 a.m. We have temperatures from the lower to mid-teens over the northern interior, upper teens to lower 20s just north and west of the major cities, and upper teens to mid-20s over the New York City metropolitan area and upper 20s to lower 30s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. We have a clipper that is moving through today, producing periods of snow showers. Later on, some of that rain's going to mix in over portions of southern New Jersey and southern Long Island as we get a little bit of warmer air and temperatures warm up into the mid to upper 30s along the New Jersey coast, lower to mid 30s over the New York City metropolitan area, and mid to upper 20s over the northern interior as that cold air really locks in over the interior. Overall, we're not really expecting all that much snow. Looking at basically 2 to 4 inches over northeastern Pennsylvania on through much of Connecticut, northern New Jersey, New York City Metro. Portions of the southern parts of Long Island probably traced to only 2 inches because of the rain-snow mix, and over southern New Jersey and Philadelphia, about traced to 2 inches at most. This is not a major system. I know that the media is kind of playing this up a bit, but honestly, it's a fast-moving clipper that produces some periods of snow. We'll see some more snow this evening, which I'll discuss in a moment, but this is not a major storm. It's more of a nuisance, a pain in the neck, because it's happening during the morning and the evening rush hours. On the radar, you can see, for the most part, our first batch is moving through with some light to moderate snow that will be driving through the New York City metropolitan area and exit within about 30-40 minutes. So basically by 9:30 to 9:40, most locations will be drying out with only a few scattered snow showers through the afternoon. And then we're going to watch another batch of precipitation associated with this disturbance right here. So we have our first clipper that moves through. We warm up slightly for this afternoon, mid to upper 30s along the New Jersey coast. Everywhere else from the mid 20s to the lower 30s. And then the cold air comes back in, and this disturbance right here dives towards the mid-Atlantic coast, spawns another area of low pressure, and we're going to have to watch out for the immediate New Jersey coast. Let's take a look at the latest RAP guidance here. This is basically what's happening right now. You can see periods of rain and snow showers throughout the day, producing minor accumulations. Now, by this evening, we got this batch here that's associated with that disturbance diving through the Ohio River Valley. This batch here is going to have to be watched for tonight, because the overall idea here is that the heaviest precipitation stays off the New Jersey coast and heads up towards New England. However, the latest model guidance is starting to focus a little bit more of a comma head development as this low pressure system develops off the New Jersey coast about 50 miles to the east of Atlantic City, and focuses some heavier precipitation, likely a snow as colder temperatures take hold, just in time over the New Jersey coast tonight, right around the rush hour. And this is again roughly late in the evening. So we're talking roughly somewhere around 8-9 p.m. in the evening into early Wednesday morning. And when you take a look at the temperatures, let me just pull this up here real fast. Let's take a look at the surface temperatures, because 850 millibar temperatures are more than cold enough at this point. But when we get to the surface temperatures in the evening, again, we warm up, and then here comes that second low, and we start to cool down again. In fact, let me go right here. Stop that right as we set this up. See, now at this point in the evening, we got our low pressure system developed. We have a heck of a thermal gradient developing at the surface. Temperatures are supportive for snow accumulation just away from the coast. Let's say about 5 miles away from the coast. So if you're on Atlantic City, you'll see snow in the air, hard to accumulate. Move a little bit further west, inland, you have temperatures around 34, 35 and falling, and that's where they'll accumulate. So let's say central Monmouth County down through Burlington County, and then as you head up back towards the New York City Metro, this whole area right here could see another burst of accumulating snowfall. And if that heavier batch of precipitation focuses right along the coast, it could lead to an additional quick 1 to 3 inches of snow for this evening as this disturbance rapidly lifts northeast. So, as always, we're going to have to keep an eye on this development. After this leaves, we finally get a break because, quite frankly, we could use it. So this disturbance leaves. Tomorrow we pretty much stay pretty chilly. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. High pressure takes control though. Then we warm up as high pressure anchors itself off of the east coast. We get a nice southwesterly flow. Tranquil weather conditions for tomorrow and for Thursday. Temperatures on Thursday warm up very nicely into the mid to upper 40s, but that's not it. That's not the only thing we're going to see. On Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we'll have the threat for scattered showers each day. But while temperatures are going to warm up into the mid to upper 40s on Friday, upper 40s to lower 50s on Saturday, and mid to upper 50s on Sunday. That's right, mid to upper 50s. I don't think we've seen that since like October. So we warm up very nicely. Then our Arctic cold front moves through Sunday night into Monday, and then reality slaps us right back in the face with our temperatures falling back into the 30s once again. So basically Monday, we'll have temperatures falling throughout the day through the 40s into the 30s. Watch out for the potential for some snow showers developing on the back end of this Arctic cold front, as we could see a little bit of a wave kind of spruce up a little bit of snow here and there that we're going to keep an eye on. And then when we look at the weekend, or should I say the week for Christmas, high pressure will be in control for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So if you're traveling, don't worry, high pressure will be in control. It will be cold, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for highs, but at the very least it'll be dry. And then after Christmas, as you're probably traveling back home, high pressure will remain in control. We could see a weak clipper produce a snow shower or two. But the overall theme is that you warm up a bit for this weekend. A little bit of a reminder that at one point we were above normal in temperatures. And then we get slapped right back down to below normal temperatures just in time for Christmas, with a slight chance of seeing some snow showers to make it a little bit more festive. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'll be following the Clipper development, especially this evening, to see if anything more significant develops. I don't expect it right now, but again, a little shift either way could lead to a little bit more significant. No, I really shouldn't say significant. Steady. That's the right word. Steady snowfall for late this evening into the early morning hours on Wednesday along the New Jersey coast and in the New York City metropolitan area. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.